Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you IAM roles. So I am here on Identity and Access Management IAM dashboard page. So just go to the roles. I have clicked on roles. To create roles, just click on create role. The first thing you would see that which service is gonna use the role. Let's suppose if you want your EC2 can communicate with S3, in that case you are supposed to select this EC2 and next permission, and here you are supposed to select the policy or the permission which EC2 instance can have. Let's suppose if you want EC2 instance can read the S3 objects. So you are supposed to select this Amazon S3 read only access. Select this and go to the tags. Here provide a name. It is very essential. Next review. Over here you are supposed to provide the name of the role. Hit create role. S3 role for EC2 has been created. Just search. So here you would see that the role which you have created. Thanks.